Magandang umaga mga kababayan. You know, we have holiday coming soon. First is going to be Thanksgiving. It's going to happen next week. And then it's going to be Christmas. So now it's time to go shopping. Since I'm on the road a lot, I'm taking advantage of shopping sa malapit na mga outlet store kasi doon ang maraming mga murang gamit para papadala siguro sa mga ating pamilya. Well, meron akong pamilya dun sa California. Ang gagawin natin, siguro titingin tayo dito kung ilang gusto nila, di kukunin ko tapos papadala ko na sa kanila. Pero since you're always on the road, you might as well take advantage. I'm here now in Ohio, so I'm gonna I look at the mall, see what was good, and probably get them. But I'll let you guys up. I'll keep you guys updated, and take pictures as well. All right, bye bye. Well, it's been a while ever since I've been to an outlet store. It's been maybe a couple of years ever since I started working for CR England. But yeah, there's different stores that I haven't seen for a while. I mean, Tommy Hilfiger still here, Polo still here. There's of course new. Maraming mga bagong shop. So pwede kang mag-shop, do it while you're in 10-hour reset, or do it maybe on your siguro mga 34-hour reset. Punta ka kasi wala kang damit, di bumalik ka dito, mga mura, diba?